So we got a busy week ahead and on multiple fronts. In this case, when it comes to economic data, we did get a string of Chinese data this morning. GDP and industrial production better than expected, but retail and investment, bit of a miss on that front. US holiday today means that you can expect trading to get thinner as we approach the US session. And over the next couple of days, we got CPI readings from a number of countries and regions, Eurozone, UK, as well as Canada. And this is following last week's US CPI increase month on month to 0.4% as expected. There's also the Thursday's weekly, the usual weekly Thursday unemployment claims out of the US. Last week was a real disappointment, edging up higher towards 1 million. Now, in terms of all this economic data, that's all going to be noted, but really the big one's probably going to be preliminary manufacturing and services PMIs on Friday. This is in light of the extension in lockdowns as well as an increase in restrictions. And when it comes to oil data, EI's oil inventories reading for the US usually released on Wednesday, in this case due to the holiday pushed till Friday. And you can see over the past 5 readings, well, deficits throughout, some of them quite significant drawdowns. Baker Hughes oil rig count also on Friday, and in this case you can see that consistent increase when it comes to the number of active oil rigs trying to claw back some lost territory and get back up towards pre-pandemic levels. So what about on the central bank front? In this case, there's going to be some central bank speak, but when it comes to central bank monetary policy, especially for the central banks of the FX majors, in this case you can see that there's 3 big ones. Bank of Canada on Wednesday, as well as the Bank of Japan and European Central Bank on Thursday. We'll see if the ECB is going to really address anything with regards to the euro and foreign exchange movements, especially considering that the euro has been retracing back down as of late. On a separate but related note, we got Treasury Secretary nominee Yellen's confirmation hearing tomorrow, as well as the inauguration on Wednesday. So last but not least, we've got earnings, and in this case, more financials, Bank of America and Goldman Sachs tomorrow. We also have also going to have Morgan Stanley. But when it comes to tech, you'll see that on Thursday we got Intel and IBM, and tomorrow it's streaming giant Netflix.